Hey, Mom!
Hey, Dad.
Hey guys.
Yeah, I know.
I wish we could be there with you guys too. But Christmas in Barcelona is really nice.
The city's covered in lights.
Catalans do have some funny traditions though.
Well, they seem to be really into poop.
Poop. Yes, Mom. Poop.
So there's this one guy.
The caganer.
No, caganer. He just sort of squats.
No, there's actually poop.
No, not instead of Santa Claus. He goes in the nativity scene.
Actually, the presents come from the tío.
No, not like uncle.
Tío. Well, he's a log.
Yeah, like from a tree.
He is actually pretty cute.
The kids feed him all month.
And then they hit him.
Yeah, with a stick.
And he poops out presents.
He poops out candy and nougat.
Turron.
I'm not sure why there's so much poop.
Bon Nadal a tothom.